shape is it?
Triangle. Yes.
You get
Get
some?
some rice.
There's a rice.
Get some more rice.
Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled egg.
Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled egg. More scrambled egg. Pork fries.
Almond fries.
And then, is this enough?
I feel like
Press.
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 Wow. Add some and sides. And put the sticker in the middle. Wow.
I'm done. I'm done.
It's a triangular shape. And fold the sides in. You get a sticker.
I want to create shark.
Okay.
This one.
The sticker with the shark. Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled egg. Scrambled egg.
Pork floss.
Whoa.
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 And we're going to add some more rice on the top. Rice. Wow. Cover it up.
Cover it up. Cover it up.
Okay, do you want to help me? Go ahead. Wow. Press. Take this off.
你的最整齐。
你最整齐。
Okay. Press the middle. And it comes out. Fold it in half. Oh, the one with the rabbit. And it's done.
You made onigiri. Onigiri. Onigiri.
Side off. Wow. Then. Good?
It's delicious.
Delicious. More scrambled egg. Pork fries.
Is this enough?